everybody, and Merry Christmas to you. Today is of course the Boxing Day, and guess what? Jan the Smiling Sun champion, Ferrari's biggest fan, will introduce you the most famous boxes in the world of Formula 1, the Ferrari ones. Oh yeah, dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh, Santa gave us all Ferrari gifts. Hey, and let's open them now. So as you can see, I've of course received about 7 years ago in 2016 this first wheel, of course the Ferrari 150 Italia. That's the real replica of the Formula 1 wheel, and we of course won the two amazing championships with that on the top of the first one, which we won back in 2010. And as you can see over here, this is the one for the anniversary, the Scuderia Ferrari SF1000, the racing wheel, definitely the best one I believe there is still. We are doing all of our new series and the championships definitely with this great wheel. It's got a display, it's got everything. This is the top wheel. Our engine is still actually on the way, so today we will introduce the latest addition to the family, because as you know, as Scuderia Ferrari, we've won the Le Mans. So today we will introduce you the Ferrari 488 GT3, the racing wheel add-on that has, frankly speaking, the best box on the Boxing Day over here. It looks absolutely fantastic, doesn't it? So you guys, let's take a look at it, how it looks like. Okay, so here it's all red. Wow, look at this, all red, all beautiful. That's how the Ferrari box should look like. That would be my only complaint about this box, that it's all black. But the new one with the engine, which we will also get this one, I cannot wait for that. That one should be all red, hopefully. So you guys, are you ready to open it? On the 26th of December, we are always opening up the gifts. So here, let's make some space. Let's say goodbye to the old boxes. It's time for the new ones. Okay. Yes, we hope our wheels over here will be fine, so we can put them here. And let's open up this amazing Trustmaster, as we can see over here, Ferrari 488 GT3, the wheel add-on, which you can mount to any. Beautiful red box. I really like the matte finished over here. Wasn't big fan of these, but they are really beautiful. It's very simple to open it, even though this box over here was a little bit better for the Scuderia SF1000. But yeah, basically you open it and wow, can you see it? Look at this. Okay, so here we have, you cannot see through the video because you cannot smell through the video, but I love just the way it smells when it's new. And yeah, here is the racing wheel. Okay, you can see here they really improved the design. The box looks very beautiful, and here is it. So you guys, let's take a look at it. This is again great for this Ferrari sports car. So the F1 cars don't really use this wheel. And wow, look at this, it's a wonderful wheel, isn't it? So here, this is how the box looks like. You can also get some special mounts over here, so clearly that will be very important. It has its own display, so normally you think like this wheel, and especially this, the real replica Formula 1 wheel, it's all about the front, but no, actually it's all about the back. Okay, so let me show you what exactly I mean. Great Ferrari logo over here. You can change your engine mapping, you can change your fuel mix. Here, press for the radio, you can press for the flash, you can change the setup over here as well. You can also, adjust any setup that you have. If you need to go to the pits, you can go here. This is for the launch control. At the beginning of the race, here when you want to drink, just press the blue one, strangely enough. Here you have the washer FCY, and also you can change the setting, especially for your wings. Wow. Oh, the wheel is magnificent, great carbon fiber over here, and it's all about the bag. So you can see here they got these very interesting pedals over here, very good for, obviously you will normally race like this way, so it will shift up, shift down, left and right. I don't believe there's any driver who does it the other way, but here you can see the actual software over here that you've got it all built in, or let's say the motherboard. Okay, so that's quite amazing. So the wheels, they are so advanced. Obviously for this the 488 Ferrari grade wheel, you do not have the display, but you have this great detail. Take a look, take a look. It's quite amazing, isn't it? And you can again get a great sets of data. You can mount it to any of these. And you guys, this is a wonderful Christmas present. You know, it's really amazing. Okay, we've gotten, you know, this one 7 years ago, 2 years ago, and now it's almost like every other year there's a new Ferrari wheel. Guys, you know, I'm really so happy about it. So this was our latest addition over here to the Ferrari family over here. So let's display it. Beautiful box, as always. You know, again, it's only getting better. I have to say Trustmaster is probably my favorite hardware company over here when it comes to, you know, creating these beautiful Ferrari wheels. And yeah, this is how it looks like. So you guys, let's take a look at them. Okay, the original one, the real breakthrough is over here with the Ferrari SF 150 Italia. And you know, this one is the state of the art, is the exact replica that obviously Ferrari drivers used in that F1 2002, and then from the 2020s championships. You know, it's wonderful. I'll actually be getting one more. It's really that good. This is the best wheel, and this is our latest, the new one. It's much simpler, as you can see, but still nowadays, you know, you gotta have 20 buttons. You're almost like a pilot, almost like a Ferrari pilot, aren't you? So yeah, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. Enjoy here this great detail of this beautiful Ferrari 488 wheel. I'll give you the panoramic view, the latest addition to Jan the Smiling Sun Champions. Gorgeous Ferrari family, and these are only the wheels, the real racing wheels, the actual wheels that are around. We got a couple of them, well, maybe I think 3 of them, definitely a couple of them as well. So, you know, they would be different, but we still managed to win 1 championships with them. And with these, we can win all championships. Let's go Scuderia Ferrari. Hope you guys enjoy it. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Enjoy the Boxing Day here 2023. Forza Ferrari, Scuderia Ferrari, let's win the championships!